So, friend, this is the characteristic number 21st of successful people. Successful people are always on a mission. Whereas, if you see the unsuccessful people, the people who are having unsuccessful mindset, what they are doing, they will consider every work just a job. Whether they are doing a job, whether they're doing a business, or any work, any kind of work, they will just consider that particular task as a job. But if you see the attitude of the successful people, the slightest task which they are doing, they will consider that as a part of their bigger mission. They will consider that if this particular job, if this particular task, if I will not finish, then I will not able to complete my bigger mission. So every day, every hour of a day, every minute, they will always be on their mission. And larger the mission, the more effort they are going to put. And if you see, until you will not develop the attitude, until you will not develop the attitude that every small task which you are doing is part of your mission, or that itself is a mission for the day, till that time you will stuck in the job only, because you will consider every task as a job. So friends, prepare your mission as soon as possible and work on your mission on daily basis, hourly basis. You keep on thinking about the mission. Consider smallest task as if this is the part of your mission, and if you will not do this task, you will not accomplish your mission. Thank you, friend. I will come with another characteristics of successful people. Till then, bye.